Don't forget to wear your headphones.
So tired. That round was absolutely exhausting. What are you doing? When did you get back from work? You're home awfully early. And what is all this stuff all over the floor? You're building something. Looks more like you're taking it apart to me. Okay, I will be careful. Look, I really missed you today, so can't we just... Why not? I want cuddles, okay? You're so mean when you got your mind set on something. Fine, but I'm not going away. So, you're just going to have to tolerate me. So, what are you building anyways? A gaming computer? Why on earth would you need a gaming computer? We already have like every console known to man. Hey, don't be rude. What do you mean I wouldn't understand? I suppose that makes sense. Well, yeah. I enjoy modding. But they already have mods on Xbox. How is it any different? Well, I mean, yeah, I'm sure they have more, but they already have a lot, so... That does sound a little tempting. But you shall not sway me. I've played console my whole life. Switching now would be like heresy or something. Well, when you put it like that, constantly upgrading sounds sort of cool. I bet it's a lot of money, though. That's true. I suppose there are games that are only available on the PC, but... That's with, like, any console, right? All consoles have exclusives. Right, PC isn't a console, but you know what I mean. Is this really more important than me right now? Why can't I just get cuddles for, like, 5 minutes? No, I am not going away. I'm going to sit here and bother you and ask random questions about whatever it is you're doing. And you're going to answer them. So... I don't really understand how all of this works. So what is this? RAM. Okay, and what does it do? And this bit right here, that's like rainbow flashing lights. What does it do? Just a fan. But it looks so fancy. Why are you taking it out? I thought you were trying to build the computer, not take it apart. What's this? How is this supposed to keep it cool? Water cooling. How the heck does that work? Doesn't water damage technology? Uh-huh. I'm just gonna pretend like I understood that concept. And what is this? Well, I mean, isn't this the PC? I don't understand. Just the casing. I guess that makes sense. The PC is really more about what's inside. So many zip ties everywhere. You gonna kidnap me or something? Oh, screw you and your cable management. Why can't I just have cuddles? You said you'd play with me later. Okay, well, you said you'd play with me later, like an hour ago. You know what happens when I get dangerously bored. And yet here we are. You might as well be forcing me to stay here. I told you I'm bored. I've been playing games all day and I just want to... I just want to cuddle and snuggle you and maybe go get some snacks and watch a show or play games. So you might as well be keeping me here because all I want is to hang out with you. You. Fine. I suppose this does count as hanging out with you. Though, you haven't even made eye contact with me once. For all you know, I could be some scary robot mimicking your poor helpless girlfriend's voice. There we go. You look adorable today as always. Really? My hair looks cute today. Not as cute as you. Thanks, babe. Do you think we can go on a date this weekend? That's unfortunate because I totally already scheduled a double date with your best friend. And I told him we'd be there by 7. Well, it's because I knew if I asked that you'd say no. But I figured if I just went ahead and planned it... Thanks. You haven't seen your bestie in like a month. I know you miss them, okay? Oh, you big tsundere. You don't have to lie to me. This is a safe place after all. Come on, you'll love it. I planned it at this new place that just opened up. Remember when we were driving to go get food really late at night that one time? And we thought there was like a fire or something, but they were just welding that building? Yeah, it's that one. It's like a restaurant now or something. Really? You'll go? Thanks, babe. I'll go tell him.